312. Are you 1012?
Stay by our cars.
Get on the ground! For what? Get on your knees!
Get on the ground! Roll over on your stomach!
Roll over on your stomach!
Roll over on your stomach!
On your stomach!
Hands behind your back! Put your hands behind your back!
Your back is signal 0! He's got a fucking gun in his waistband!
I'm trying to tell you, I have a gun up, dude. This is crazy. I can't believe you! Come on! The fuck, dude? Oh my God!
Got it.
Charlie 312 Flagler, we got.
This is not even fair, bro.
Mic secure. This cat is signal 0.
See, I love you. What the fuck?
Oh shit, I wasn't even on, bro.
Your camera fell off back there.
Unbelievable.
I've got mine.
Unreal, dude. I did nothing but come
Right,
home.
Charlie 312 Flagler,
What
we got
the
it.
fuck?
Whiskey mic secure. We got a signal
This is
0.
not
What's
fucking
right.
right.
And clear mag unit. Lord.
What the fuck? I love you! I came here for you! I can fucking hurt you ever!
I got it.
I can't believe you! What the fuck? Wow, bro. That's fucking rotten!
Is there any other firearms on you?
Oh, man.
Just have him still staged. I don't know as far as victims go. If we got anything. Everybody appears simple this time.
This is not even fucking right.
Go check on the daughter. I got him.
Okay, she's fine. She's in the house, dude.
You got it.
There you go. Perfect.
So where do I go from here, man?
To jail.
For real?
I'm being
to
brave.
Jail for what?
Written threats to kill.
Wow. Unreal.
Well, that's very real.
Unbelievable.
Watch your head.